Huh?
We have to go here. Like gym.
So where? Up there? So right now, are we if we go that way, is that
I don't know.
is that this way? So we have to go back that way. Go straight and then make a right. All right, let's go. So we're at the wrong place. We are going to find the right place. What's this tree?
Beach trail.
Let's go in.
You just had one vehicle?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Do you bring any firewood or alcoholic beverages with you?
no drinks. Thank you so much, sir.
Yep. And here, you get park map.
Oh no. Oh, we need that.
Yep.
Thank you. Is that all we need?
Yep.
All right, thank you, sir. So now we're ready to go. So right now we got everything right here, the stuff that we need. And so now we're gonna go to our campsite. All right, guys, we are here at our campground. We're gonna go off and we're gonna put our stuff. So there's one big problem that we have. Our tent, it does not have the top. So if it rains, we're screwed basically. Because look, the rain can basically go through. I don't know what we're gonna do. I think I have a trash bag. Maybe we can put it on the top. Hopefully, finger crossed, that it does not rain. If it did, I don't know what we're gonna do. I think we have maybe a couple of options. And that is either we can go sleep in the car, or we can put trash bag on the top. We can try to put trash bag on the top. But if we put the trash bag on the top, the trash bag is not that big, so I don't know how that's gonna work out. Yeah, so we're gonna try what we can do. Let's find some more woods. These are small woods, so I need to find big ones.
Should be good. Okay. Ta-da! Now we sweep. I don't even think it's gonna rain.
Yeah,
The weather, remember?
probably not. Yeah, it's fine. We should be good, I think. It's all right. If it rain, it rain. We'll figure something out. All right, I just started the fire. Hopefully it gets bigger and we're gonna start cooking dinner. It's about what time is it? 3. It's about to be 4. I guess we're gonna eat dinner early tonight. We're gonna set up the fire, cook, eat, probably maybe walk around a little bit, and then we're probably gonna sleep early, rest up for tomorrow. I think we're gonna go hike. There's a really beautiful waterfall over there, so we're gonna go check that out tomorrow. Today we came in a little late, so we can't do much exploring and looking around.
You didn't bring down the cooler?
Because what if we want some to sit here for
Exactly.
night? So why did our neighbor over there, they brought their woods?
We can't. That's why the guy asked
What?
if we bought our own firewood.
Because these are too small. We need like bigger woods. Yeah, that should do it for now. We save these for later if you want to chill by the fire. So, but first, prepare for dinner. Let's go. Oh my God, look, these are good fire starters.
Salt.
Okay. This doesn't want to break because it's not super dry yet. More woods. I'm hungry. My energies are gone. Oh.
Hey, you.
Oh, what? So guys, finished cooking. It's time to eat. And this is what we got here. Carbs, protein, and our shrimp is still cooking. It's not cooked yet. We're gonna eat. I'm hungry.
Oh my god, if you guys can just see how soft it is. This is a plastic knife. Okay?
Here,
Okay.
this is also. So, we got the steak. We got our carbs. We didn't bring rice. So there's gonna be our carb, our protein. The shrimp is still cooking right now.
Oops, that's a lot of
But
butter.
yeah, let's eat. I like the crunch.
Crunch?
Let's try that steak. Nice and soft. Perfectly cooked the way I like it. So flavorful. Good job, babe. Super good.
Butter. Some butter. We usually eat this Hawaiian roll with Texas Roadhouse style. Like their butter is like sweet. It's like mixed with cinnamon. But this one is a healthier version. It's just butter.
It's so good.
Where are you hiding it out for the camera?
Oh no.
Are you the one that likes fish?
Saying it's good for the camera. That's not the case. The food is really good. This bread, fantastic. Right.
Steak sandwich, better look at that.
Steak sandwich, yo. Are we just gonna walk? Are we gonna walk there to the bathroom? I saw the people were walking. They had their bottles. They hold the bottles.
You did?
Mm-hmm. So I'm guessing they went to refill the water.
I guess. Damn, the sun come and goes.
Oh my god, that's bright. That is so bright.
Shit.
Get me water, please. Ah, what a dinner. That was good. Look at that water. You can swim. Where do you get water? Okay, put it in. No. Do slow one if you can. It's heavy. So we got the water. Look, so heavy.
The water station is so near.
Yeah, cause that's our place right there. That we get water right there. So.
Okay. Oh, so sorry. Oh, wrong direction.
This place has a black bear, and their eyesight are bad, but they can smell really good from far away. They can smell the food, so we cannot leave our trash over there. We're gonna double bag it right now, and all the foods that we have, we're gonna put it away in the car. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put away the foods it's left over and the trash in the car. It's 7:38 in the morning right now. We're gonna prepare breakfast. The fire is all set up. I think it's good to start cooking with it. What?
Can you get the trash?
Yeah. We're gonna try to make some coffee. We brought coffee, right? Steak, potatoes, and we still have corn from last night that we didn't eat, so we're gonna eat that as well. Yeah. Well, I woke up a couple of times. One of the time that I woke up, I checked the time to see what time it was, and I think it was around 3 o'clock. And the reason why I woke up so much was because, Mal, was it cold for you, or was it just me? I think it was cold last night. No? Yeah, it was really cold.
The back.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's time for coffee. All right, beef is all cooked. Now it's time to cook this potato.
Not yet. I'm
Bakit?
gonna caramelize the onion.
Do you want to tell them a little bit about morning?
Cooking in the farm. Anyway, my morning is I was groggy because I woke up at like 4.
Can you give me my coffee, please? We got it 4.
Because I keep hearing, like, I know there's an animal, like, on
Oh
my
my
left.
God, yeah. Thank God you brought that up. I mentioned earlier, so last night I keep waking up constantly. The reason that I constantly woke up was because I keep hearing like steps or like
No, it's not
things.
step. I know it's not a step. It's just an animal, like, I don't know, swallowing or breathing,
I don't know.
something.
That we can literally hear the animals over there, and me, I'm thinking that it might be people, so I'm like awake. I like this. I don't mind doing this more often. Right?
You want one more?
I don't care.
Please don't splash it on yourself.
1 second. Just let it do its
Let
thing
it
real
what?
quick.
I wanna do that.
Oh, you can't suck it.
I wanna flip.
Here's my coffee.
You cannot open mine.
Joke lang. Go ahead.
But it might break.
Mm-hmm. This is so peaceful and calm in the morning. Oh, I got it. There you go. Ta-da! Anyways,
Today we are eating steak and eggs with potatoes.
pretty much. So let's show you what we got here. We got the steak chopped up with garlic, salt, pepper. I got a scrambled egg with potato. She got a sunny side eggs with potato. Ready to eat. You might be thinking, isn't it a little too early to eat that much food at 8:50? Yes, it is. This is our breakfast and lunch. The fire died too, so. can have salt. It's over there. It's nice. Call me salt babe or whatever.
Oh, and also we got corn heating up.
Yep. You wanna pack that for the trip? Eat it, we get hungry.
So why we heat it up then?
I don't know. I didn't think about it at the time.
Now I thought about it.
Our checkout is at 3 o'clock. What time do you wanna start going?
We're after.
Oh, this gives us an opportunity to use the bathroom as well. At the park office. They have bathroom there, right? Because, I didn't, I need to do my thing. I haven't done it ever since last night.
No, you don't make fun of my stomach.
Yeah, some part of the potato is soft, some are not soft. The fire died. Next time we bring firewoods, man. Alright. I think this wraps up our breakfast. And we're gonna wash our face, pack our stuff, go check out. And then we're gonna go. And then we're gonna go hiking. I'm excited to see the waterfall. That's it, guys. So basically that wraps up our day here at the campground. After we check out at the park office, we will start our hike. Alright guys, we're here now. I don't know if we're on the trail yet, but we just parked the car. Now we're gonna start our hiking. This place is very nice. Look at all these trees.
Ooh, what are these breeze?
Oh, that mini water.
The power of water.
This right here is look at that. I want to jump in there from the cliff. Another waterfall right there. Do you think we're gonna get to that?
Yeah.
Oh, let's go. Right? And you put the behind the scene. Like you.
Someone John knows gave us their house because they were out. They were I now know where we are.
You do?
Yeah.
So we're taking the upper trail. I think the upper one is a little bit more moderate in difficulty wise, and I think the bottom one is most difficult, I think.
Yeah.
And it's getting really sweaty. How you doing?
Ew, you're so sticky.
I know I'm hot.
I feel like throwing up from the coffee.
Throwing up?
Toward
No
your
ba.
my heart.
Yours is a little bit of coffee, not a lot.
Hi, Ann.
I don't know if you guys can hear it. That's definitely sound like a waterfall.
Oh.
So we just came down so we can have a better view of this place with from the bottom.
Let me take a picture of you.
Look. So guys, I think we reach officially. No, I think that's actually the first, because that's a little too small, right?
No,
I think
that
this
is
one.
first.
Okay, so I guess first or second, we reach another fall right here. This one is nice.
Wow.
This one is really nice. All right, we'll reach another fall already. This one looks nice. I thought there was no swimming, but people are swimming. I guess we shall swim as well. Go down. That one is smaller compared to the other one that we saw, but I think this one is our fourth waterfall. Right next to that that one is this big one right here. Not really big, but this one is taller. So this one is our fifth. This one is a lot taller. Check this out. We lost count of how many waterfalls is this?
10, 11.
10, 11? Yeah. We're not sure how many waterfalls we have saw. We're getting a little tired. Yeah, after we see 2 more waterfalls, I think we're gonna call it a day and head back. We're getting tired and it's hot.
Let me know if you want a snack.
And I'm hungry, I was gonna say. Yes, I want snack. Yes. I'm hungry. We need something little to eat.
You want to start at the next one or here?
The top? Sige. This is the corn, but it's burnt. Yeah, I think we should. So I think the plan, we're gonna take the shortcut and do the loop and go back down. I think that's what we're gonna do.
I thought so.
This hike has been fantastic and we enjoyed it a lot, but also my legs are feeling it now. I can feel it in my calves.
Same. Even my
If
right here, my
yeah.
hips. I have
So as I mentioned earlier, we took the Highland shortcut. We're basically gonna loop it down and we're gonna go back down. And then I don't know how many walks that's gonna be. You think what? 30-minute walk back down? Yeah. And then that would be it, but yeah. Keep walking.
During fall and winter, deer eat fruit and nuts.
Those are
Holy
acorn
crap,
from
they eat 4 to 9 pounds?
what? Acorn?
No, they just in general, they eat 4 to 9 pounds. That's a lot.
Yeah, they're big.
Oop, yeah.
This one is steep.
Yeah,
Which one?
the blue one.
I don't know who they are.
Remember they're always in our back.
Anyways, guys, we just finished our loop. The intersection that where we took a right, we came back down. We just passed it. So now we're going straight down and we will be back at the we will be heading back to the parking lot, and from there we'll be heading home. It's been great. All this waterfall was very nice. Honestly, I thought the waterfall, they would be a little stronger. Based from the picture that I saw, those waterfall looks really strong. But now that I've seen it, those water feels a little weak. Maybe that's because it's summer and they took those pictures when it's raining season. So really good hike. Now she's tired, right? You tired?
Yes.
Yeah, we're both very tired now. Our legs are feeling it now. Woo, so cool. Wow.
I'm gonna
Oh my god, that water was so cold. That was a lot of fun. Alrighty. We made it back, guys. We made it back. That gotta be what? How many miles do you think that is total?
7.
7 miles, so that was like 7 miles, about 16,000 steps. 16 to 17,000 steps.
I cannot even imagine myself walking 2 miles. I made 7.
Great achievement. Now we're gonna head back home. Use the restroom.